Good YouTube. Back again. Got another video. This one, I'm finally gonna put this exhaust on. Been sitting on it. I was waiting to get my quick jacks. So I bought the wrong one. Had to order the right one, and then they're coming to pick up this one, send it back. So got the right one. As you can see, the car is up behind me, all the way up to the highest level. It is. I was a little sketched out, but got it up there. So should make the exhaust install pretty simple.
For show.
So my only concern is the weight of the stock exhaust, bringing that down. So I probably have to use like a jack or something like that to, you know, assist with bringing down that rear section, because I know that's going to be the heaviest part. But all right, little update. So I literally got all the bolts off. So I used quick jack blocks and my jack stand. Hold up the muffler, give it some pressure, unplugged everything, all the bolts are off. So it should just be easy as lowering this, and yeah, should be it. So yeah, definitely recommend quick jack so far. Definitely recommend having a solid jack stand in your arsenal. Update. Got the stock exhaust off. Luckily I have turf, so I was able to just put the FI exhaust right next to it, line it up. So I've already started changing over hangers. I'm doing the valves now. So stock exhaust valves, they face down, and the FI, they face up. And they give you extensions as well, so you can make sure your wires reach. But yeah, so I'm almost done. So what it's looking like under here. So everything is lining up well. As you can see, hangers and stuff. So pretty straightforward install. Should be done in about 30 minutes or so. Alright, exhaust is complete. Main point is there is no clearance issues at the brace. So let's try to get a little bit closer. Yeah. So yeah, no clearance issues there. Should be rattling. That looks good. Wires extended. Just tuck them right here and here on the heat shield. So now I just gotta put the exhaust tips on, and we're good to go. This part was a pain in the dick right here. Bell shit. So hopefully no exhaust leaks, but we'll see. I had to take a break on the last one, so I cut that one short. Ran out of sunlight, had a lot of things to do in the house, so I pretty much got the exhaust bolted on. I started it, had a little rattle, so I'm gonna try to address that right now, see what that's looking like, and then I'll just pretty much go through a rundown of the entire system. So good. So remember I said remember how I said I had some rattling going on with my exhaust? Well, I finally figured it out. User error. I'm a dumbass. but allow me to explain and show you, just so it doesn't happen to you, because it can be a slight oversight when installing. But got it hooked up, sounds good. So I'm gonna take you underneath real quick. So titanium tips. Alright, so just gonna shimmy back like I'm doing jiu-jitsu. A little shrimping out action. So boom. Alright, so where it was rattling and there was like a leak, so I thought it was like gaskets, I thought it was fucking rattling at the cross member here. This is where the cross member hits, but this thing, I'll mock it up so you can see it. Alright, so yeah, clears very easily, as you can see. So I'll put that back on. But so in the US, we don't have the OPF exhaust. We have the regular exhaust, whatever. And these are the bungs for the OPF. These were loose. I did not tighten them before putting them on, so they rattled and exhaust was leaking out, so it sounded like shit.
Are you stupid or something?
Alright, there you have it. Exhaust installed, sounds great. I'll get some driving footage. I'm gonna hook up my my rig inside of the car so I can get some in-car footage and all that stuff. So hope you enjoyed it. I know it was kind of all over the place. Literally took me 2 days because I just didn't feel like staying out here all night to figure stuff out. Gotta work and all that fun stuff. So came home from work, got it banged out, and I'm definitely very, very happy with it. So I'll probably just try to clean this up a bit, clean this video up, and get a good video out for you guys. So enjoy, peace out, until the next one.